Hello, do you have any question? If you have some question, you can discuss with me before the class. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Chinese class again. Last time we have learned lesson 1 to lesson 3. This is when you go to the bookstore in your university, you will find a book named HSK1 Standard Course. We are learning this textbook. If you want to purchase it, you can purchase. If you think that it is not necessary, you can just use my PPT. Okay, today, before we go to the class, let's make a quick review of what we have learned in lesson 1 to lesson 3. Okay, in lesson 1, we have learned the structure of Chinese language. We have learned the structure of Chinese language and we also learned the greeting. In lesson 1, we learned when we greet Chinese people, we say 你好,你好. And the polite one, for senior person, we use 您好. And for people more than 2 persons, we can say 你们好.你们好, that means hello everyone. And we also learned 对不起,对不起 means sorry. 对不起 means sorry. 没关系 it doesn't matter. 没关系 it doesn't matter. And in lesson 2, we learned 谢谢不谢 means thank you. You're welcome. And also 谢谢你 thank you. 不客气 you're welcome. And we also learned 再见,再见,再见 means bye bye. 再见 means bye bye. So in lesson 1, lesson 2, we learned some greetings. And in last lesson, we have learned some new words, some important words. The first one is 叫,叫, and then 什么,什么,什么 means what? 名字,名字 name. 我是 and then 老师 means teacher. Ma is a question mark in a sentence. 学生 student 学生人 So when we say 李月 is the name of a Chinese person. So 中国 China. 巴基斯坦 Pakistan. So if we say 你叫什么名字 means what's your name? 你叫什么名字 What's your name? We also can say 你叫什么 It also means what's your name? 我叫李月 My name is 李月 And next one 你是老师吗 means are you a teacher? 我不是老师我是学生我不是老师我是学生 I am not a teacher I am a student. The word 是 And next one 你是中国人吗我不是中国人我是巴基斯坦人 This means 你是中国人吗 Are you Chinese? 我不是中国人 I am not Chinese. 我是巴基斯坦人 I am Pakistani. Here the word 巴基斯坦人 means Pakistani people. So please remember this one. 巴基斯坦人 This is ask about name and ask about the nationality. 你叫什么名字？我叫李月。你是老师吗？我不是老师，我是学生。你是中国人吗？我不是中国人，我是巴基斯坦人。And now, today we will learn our new lesson, lesson 4. Lesson 4, the topic is 她是我的汉语老师。She's my Chinese teacher. So there are lots of new words. Let's go to it. Before we go to the new words, let's see some pinyin, some initials. 知 sh, zh. This is how to pronounce this one. 知 and this one 吃 sh. This like the Pakistani word chai, shi, shi, ri. So let's see how to read it one by one. 知识，厨师，生日，上车，认识，常识，事实，Only difference is the tone. 超人，燃烧，热闹，出差，长城，手术，商场，超市，充值，
听录音并跟读，注意声母发。
So after class, you can listen to this audio script. You can practice by yourself. This is on the practice of how to pronounce the pinyin in Chinese. And next one is the pronounce of this one and this one. This one we pronounce N, and this one, this NG. When we put it in a word, look at this one, the first group. This one we pronounce and like that word any, and this one in Chinese we pronounce on. It's quite similar with English one, and this one and this one yan, yang, in, yung. It's in. This one in. One, won. So you also can practice after class. And this one, 一张，
一的变调。
一张，一条，一种，一定，一块。We can see the different tone of this one. The different tone. E, and this one different tones. 一张，一条，一种，一定，一块。And next one, 第一，一二三，一二三 means 1, 2, 3。星期一，11，1%。The different tones of E. And next one, will you pronounce this one? 游泳，
听录音并跟读。
有意，音乐，元音，青蛙，影星，英雄，危险，国外，阴天， 语言，语言，往往，往往，晚宴，晚宴，爷爷，爷爷，营养，营养。This one 我们 not women. This one 我们。Okay, let's see the new words we will learn today. The first one is 他 How to pronounce it? It's very simple for you. 他 first tone. 他 t a 他 And the second one 谁 的 This one 的汉语 Chinese 哪国呢他 This one and this one same pronunciation 他同学朋友 Let's see it one by one. The first one 他 means she 他 So if I say 他叫什么名字？他叫什么名字 ？Means what is her name? 他叫什么名字 ？So if I say 她叫 Selena, means she is Selena. 她是 Hadia. That is she is Hadia. She is Hadia. 她叫 Selena. She is called Selena. 她 means she and her. And this is the written form. We can see this part. Look at this one. This one same pronunciation. We call it 他. Also, this means he and him. This is used for male, and this one used for female. So if we say 他, the same pronunciation, but the written form are different. 他叫阿里 means his name is 阿里。他是老师 he's a teacher. 他是老师 he's a teacher. 他 So we can see the difference. This is used for female. And this one is used for male. The only different one is the first part, this part. There are two strokes here. This for male, and this female one. This part is different, but same pronunciation. 他. Next one, 谁 means who. So if I say 他是谁 他 means him. He 他是谁 means he is who. Who is he? Next one, 谁是阿里 Who is Ali? Who is Ali? 谁是阿里 ？Who is Ali? 谁 ？Whom? 谁？谁 ？Next one 的 has no meaning. 的 has no meaning. For example, 的 has no meaning. 的 is a particle word. When we use it, it's like the English word of, of, or dot s, or dot s. For example, 的，我的，我 means I, 我 means I, 我的 means mine, 我的 means mine. 你 means you, 你 means you. So if I add the, I say 你的 that means your, 你的 means your. 他 means he, 他 means he. 他的 means his, 他的. So if I say 他 means she, 他的 means her, 他的 means her. So if I say 谁 means who, 谁 means who, 谁的 means whose, 谁的 means whose. So if I say, we have learned the word teacher, we say 老师 So if I want to say my teacher, we can say 我的老师 my teacher. 的 we will learn it again later. 的 is an particle word. There's no meaning of this word, but it's like the English word of, and also like the English word dot s. For example, we can say 我的 my, 你的 your, 他的谁的。你看的。Next word 汉语 means Chinese language. 汉语 means Chinese language. 汉语哪 means which. 哪 means which. 哪 which. 国 means country, nation. 国 means country, means nation. So if I say 哪国 means which country, which nation. 哪 means which. 哪 means which. And 国 means country. Together, 哪国 means which country. 哪国 means which country. 哪国 which country. Which nation, which country. 国 this is a region of 国. And next one, no is very simple word. It means it's a question used at the end of a question. No. So this one, no, is different with that one. 吗？你好，你是巴基斯坦人吗？你是巴基斯坦人吗？ That is 吗 is a question word, and this one is also a question word. And the usage are different. This one we use at the end of a noun or pronoun or a word. It is asking the question mentioned before. We will learn it again in the dialogue. For example, it means what about? it means what about. For example, 我呢我 means I. 我呢 means what about me? What about me? 你呢你 means you. 你呢 what about you? What about you? 他呢what about him? What about he? What about he? No is the question word. Next one, 同学means student, means classmate. 同学means classmate. For example, if we separate this word, 同 means together, 学 means study. So that means the person who studied together with you, that is classmate. 同学 So if I say 我的同学 that means my classmate. 你的同学 your classmate. 你的同学 your classmate. 我的同学你的同学Next one, 朋友 means friend. 朋友 means friend. So if I say 我的朋友 my friend. 我的朋友 my friend. 你的朋友 your friend. 你的朋友 your friend. 你的朋友 your friend. 朋友 So let's see the words again together. The first one, 她 means she. 谁 means who. 的 汉语 Chinese language. 哪 which. 国 country. 呢他同学朋友 So look at this picture and this word. Can you match it? So look at the first one. This one, this one is for male or female. 他 which picture? 他 This one is for
B.
yes,
B.
B. And the second one, 他
Yes.
It's for E.
Or E or
or D or E. Yes, 他 And number 3, 同学
C.
is 朋友
F.
friend
F.
朋友
F and A.
yes A or F 朋友 friend Number 5, 汉语老师汉语 Chinese language 老师 teacher
D.
Yes, D. And number 6, 中国朋友中国 Chinese 朋友中国 China 朋友 friend 中国朋友 A 中国朋友 Chinese friend 中国朋友 So these are the new words. Let's read it again. The new words. Let's read it again. The first one, 他